Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. I'm JoDee. You know, I'm always excited that you're here because we always are up to something fun. Well, today we are up to talking about Instagram thrifting. I know you probably have not heard of it before. If you have, you're definitely with me because that's some place that I love to thrift. But I want to tell you a little bit about Instagram thrifting. I want to tell you how you can do it safely. And I want to show you some of my recent purchases. Now, I will admit that I have had these four boxes in a bag. I've had them sitting in my garage for about maybe a month, maybe a little bit more, because I've been avoiding them, but also because I wanted to do a video for you. I wanted to do an unboxing. I figured it'd be fun doing a little haul of what I thrifted through Instagram. The problem is I don't remember what I bought, so some of the stuff may be questionable. Some of it may be amazing. I don't know. We're gonna find out together. Let's do it. I wanted to start out before I start opening bags and boxes, which by the way, I've started to do with this. Be careful, make sure that you go and you watch maybe a seller's live. There is a network of women who sell online together and it's great. It's a sisterhood. Everybody is really supportive of one another. And you can actually go on my Instagram and see some of the people that I follow because I really do trust them. They are trustworthy sellers. They are, die-hard thrifters looking for very curated items. So make sure you do your due diligence, maybe watch one or two of their lives, go on their Instagram page, see what their policies are, because some of them expect payment right away. Some of them expect payment within 24 hours. Some will bill you. But basically, these women that I follow are really great sellers. They go have fun. They each have their own little niche, which is really amazing. So I wanted to tell you that before you start spending your money with somebody, because I think it's important to do your research. I have bought online through sellers who I've actually had to dispute the charges, not through Instagram, but through even Depop. So you need to do your research and make sure that these sellers are legit. But the ones that I have bought from, I bought from multiple times and they are amazing. So we're gonna start out with, this one is from Wahwah Vintage, okay? So Wahwah Vintage, she is just so cool. She's like everything 70s. She's so cute and she really just has a great eye for things. But she also will pick up really cool, 80s items. And I remember one of these pieces because I see it in here. And I specifically bought it for memory purposes, not necessarily, it was reminiscent of my high school years. So let's see if it was worth the purchase. Okay, I feel like on camera, this might look a little bit better than it does in real life. I feel like the color is a little bit dull, but it's an original Coca-Cola sweatshirt. I can't tell you, I would have probably killed somebody to have one of these when I was in high school. I did have a red and black striped shirt that had the Coca-Cola on it, but the cool people had this one. So I wanted to be one of the cool ones. It looks like it's kind of cropped though. So I'm gonna have to wash it. It definitely needs to be washed, but it's original. Look at this tag. How amazing is that? So this is cute. Not upset with it. I think it'll look really cute with a pair of baggy, jeans maybe. What is this one? I don't even remember these things that I bought. This right here, oh, it's kind of cute. It's got little peace fingers and it says, give peace a chance, give peace a chance. It's cute, but it is kind of small for me. So that's another thing you got to keep in mind. A lot of the stuff is vintage and vintage stuff, it runs small. She did give out measurements because this one does not have an actual tag on it. All the sellers, they'll give out measurements, especially if it doesn't have tags and especially if it's vintage. So they'll say, the chest 24 inches across, length, however much. And basically the chest, you double it. So that would be, 48 or whatever. But this one looks like it's gonna be a little tight for me. Might give it to my daughter. One of my daughters will probably wear it because it's basic enough for them. My next purchase is from 19 somethings, and they are probably my top 2 sellers. I just really love watching them. They're fun. It's a couple, and they do live thrifts. So you can go to the thrift store with them. They do a live shot from there, and they'll show you items, and you have to be the first person to say that you want it. Basically, if something's $4, they increase it to $8, so that way they get a little fee for doing the shopping, and then you pay for shipping. So it's like $8 plus shipping for an item or whatever. But I love watching them. They have great personality. They've got great style. I often love what they're wearing. They're both so cute. So yes, I love 19 something very much, and I don't remember what I bought from them, but I've got actually 2 boxes from them here. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. And most of the time I buy from them, it is when they're live shopping in the thrift store, because you know, they're, first of all, they're located out of Texas. Texas thrifting is pretty good. You can't sleep on Texas when it comes to thrifting. The prices are really good, and they have a lot of cute items. So they thrift out of Houston, I believe. Yes. Yes, I really wanted this coat. This is beautiful. Put this down for a second. A green trench coat. Come on, it's gorgeous. I love it. So in the, let's see, this was $29.52. So I did pay up for it. So it was basically 60 bucks. Made in Russia. Let's see what else I bought that day. I have no clue. Okay, I got a cute little tie to go with like a sweater or like a button down and a suit jacket. Kind of neat. I thought it was cool. And this was $4 with their fee in it. So it was $2 at the thrift store. This is Distinguished Scars, 100% lamb's wool by Morrison. And it was $7, so it was $6.50. So it was basically 12 bucks. That's cute. It'll go with my suit, my jacket, my coat. And then they always go in the t-shirt department, and they come up with some of the cutest t-shirts. So I'm always like hawking on the t-shirts when they go and find them. This one says, I can't, my kid has practice, and I'm gonna give this to my BFF, Miranda, because this is her life. This is her excuse for everything, all she has. Well, Sophie's got basketball practice. Sophie's got basketball practice. So I'm gonna wash that and give it to her. And then this, I tried to get, I guess, you know what? It's been in my garage for a month, so I did have it with plenty of time, but I bought this for myself. Cheer, Mom. I guess I could still wear it. Her cheer season's over. She's actually a senior, so her cheer career might be over. I don't know. I keep trying to convince her to do it in college. She's so good. My daughter's so good at cheerleading. My children are really athletic. They're so good. But they're also smart. So, you know, listen, do what you want to do, girl, I guess. Ew. Why did I wait so long to open up this? Yes. Oh, stop it. Look at that belt. I love stretchy belts like this. The only thing that could have made it better is gold. Chocolate and gold. Black one. Always looking for a good black belt. That's real cute. Love, 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 love. Oh, okay. I don't know what I was thinking with this purchase. I remember like instantly regretting bidding on this, but you know, like the last thing you want to do is like commit to something and then the seller be like, hello. It's just a shirt. It's a see-through shirt. Like, what am I gonna wear with this? I mean, give me some ideas. Like a black tank top and some like cute shorts or something. It's cute though, right? It's cute. you have to, like, when you're bidding and trying to outbid other people, like, you have to act like right away. You can't wait. This right here was an amazing find. This is Ralph Lauren. And if it doesn't look good on me, I'm giving it to my son. I don't know. I just love it. Oh, it's like jean and sweater. So it might fit me. But look, it's just so good. Hey, it's Editing JoDee here. I am realizing that I'm running out of time to get you this video on time. It's actually Saturday, just a couple hours before the video is supposed to go live. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this a part 1. And then I have a part 2 of some Instagram thrifting items that I want to show you. It's a really fun way to thrift and I do love it, but I want to give it its time, and I didn't give it its time to be able to edit the whole video for you. So please do me a favor, make sure you tune in next week. I'm going to continue to have a whole bunch of items to show you. Some, I don't remember, but I didn't look at the other video, but there were some that might be questionable again. You never know with me. But I do appreciate you tuning in. Thank you so much, and thank you for your understanding. I am, as you can see, I'm trying to wash my laundry. I'm doing a whole bunch of stuff at once, and I just did not allocate enough time. So I love you so much. I will see you next week.